The Ceros XT400 by HexArmor. Sleek, refined, low-riding safety that is packed with protection and doesn't sacrifice wearability, comfort, and worker preference. All things HexArmor is renowned for in PPE. When it comes to protecting your head and brain, your most crucial assets, upgrading your protection levels is always recommended. In addition, the MIPS anti-rotational safety system is also an option with XT400. Padded in a lightweight, breathable placement to not sacrifice any comfort, and without compromising the low-riding, form-fitting safety of Ceros XT400. The addition of MIPS to the XT400 and XT400E brings an advanced low-friction layer inside the shell of your helmet, a leap forward in traumatic impact protection, proven to redirect the rotational impact force that occurs in the milliseconds after a directional strike from a falling object, or when your head strikes a stationary object, while your head and neck continue to move after the initial strike. MIPS reacts to the sheer force, the rotational energy of any impact, allowing your helmet instantaneous reaction and movement around your head, reducing harmful secondary force, which is the cause of traumatic brain injury and concussion, as your head is prone to fast rotational motion in the milliseconds after an impact to the head. MIPS redirects impact energy around and away from your brain. This reduces the energy absorbed through your head and neck not only at the moment of impact, but after. Lightweight, low-sitting, climbing-style Type 2 safety helmets with a fixed chin strap, head-protecting foam layer in the round, ear-to-ear comfort padding, unique textured brim zones for better grip and adjustment, front and rear accessory clips for headlamp compatibility, universal front, rear, and side slots for accessories, back of head adjustment cradle for even more secure comfort and a perfect fit. Available in Class C or Class E. Compatible with our HexArmor's TrueSpan universal low nesting face shield and hearing protection. Fully customizable for your specific brand and color needs, reflective elements, and meets Type 2 ANSI Z89.1 standards for head safety. Type 2 safety helmets are tested for top and multi-side impact events in 360 degrees around your head, ensuring the best protection from impacts to all sides of your head. The Ceros XT400 and XT400E, also available with MIPS anti-rotational safety options. Layers of protection to keep you safer through every aspect of an impact event.